Hey guys, you can now be a member of the channel here if you want to support the channel even more than you're currently doing by just watching these videos here. So we have three different kind of levels that you can support on. So the first level is the support level where you can just like support me with a small monthly fee where so I can increase the quality of the videos and also the gear that I'm using for creating these videos and tutorials for you guys. And then the second level we have is the behind the scenes where you get some different kind of posts and some different kind of videos which is only for members of the channel. So you will get behind the scenes. You'll see like how I do research for the videos, like how I research new topics within deep learning, artificial intelligence, computer vision, and so on. And then the last level we have is the live chat level. If you have some problems with your project or you just want some inspiration or like some guidelines for your project, like you can go have a live chat with me there, and we're going to do some exclusive live stream on that level. So if you're interested in supporting the channel even more, make sure to be a member of the channel here and help me grow this channel even further.